Hello, my dear students. So, today we are going to solve question paper January 2025, question number 2B, which was asked for 10 marks. So, this was also a simple question without adjusted cash book method. So, let us see. From the following information, prepare a bank reconciliation statement as on June 30, 2024. So, date is important. We are preparing the BRS on June 30, 2024 for Mrs. XYZ Limited. The bank column of cash book. So cash book balance is already given, was overdrawn to the extent of 24,768. It means balance as per cash book, it is bank overdraft. So bank overdraft means it is a negative amount. So let us take the base amount. So heading will be in the books of Mrs. XYZ Limited, BRS as on 30th 6 2024. Then BOD as per cash book. So in the less column we will write the amount 24,768. 24,768. Then adjustment number 2. Bank charges amounting to rupees 350 had not been entered in the cash book. Bank charges, it is an expense for the business. Because of this expenses, which is already entered in the passbook but not entered in the cash book. So in my passbook, the balance has decreased. It has become minus 350. Right? My passbook has to be equal to cash book. Cash book is my base. It can be altered. So cash book is my base and it can be altered. So to make passbook equal to cash book, I have to deduct here 350 to make cash book is equal to passbook. So less column, adjustment number 2, 350. Adjustment number 3. Check amounting to rupees 88,678 issued. When I issue the checks, my balance will decrease immediately before 30th June 2024, but not yet presented for to the bank. So there is no entry in the passbook, but cash book balance we have already decreased. So passbook no effect, cash book there is a decrease 88,678. To make cash book is equal to passbook, what I have to do now? I cannot alter the passbook. I can only alter the base amount, that is cash book. So I will say add 88,678. So plus and minus, the net impact will be 0. So add column 88,678. Done. Adjustment number 4. One payment means balance will decrease, of rupees 4,590 was recorded in the cash book as if there is no bank column. That means they have taken this amount in the cash column of your cash book, right? But when we have issued the check, payment is made, the supplier will go to my bank and he will withdraw the amount from my bank account. So my passbook will decrease 4590. But in your cash book, while making the entry, we have not entered it in the bank column of the cash book but entered in the cash column of the cash book. Because of that, cash book balance has not increased or decreased. So to make them equal, in the cash book side, what we have to do? Minus 4,590. So here adjustment number 4, minus 4,590. Next one, adjustment number 5. Company paid means again there is a decrease of rupees 15,500 to a creditor and received a cash discount of 2%. So 15,500 into 2%, it is 310 rupees is the discount. So how much we have paid? 15,190 actually we have paid. So discount amount is, let me write it here, discount is equal to 310. So net amount paid is how much? 15,190. So this is the transaction. Next, the cashier erroneously entered the gross amount. Gross amount means 15,500 in the bank column of the cash book. So when we make the payment, the balance will decrease. So how much we have paid? 15,190. So passbook 15,190 has decreased, but while making entry in the cash book, instead of net amount, we have entered the gross amount. So minus 15,500 we have made. So to make them equal, I have to add here how much? 310. So minus 15,500 plus 310. The net impact will be minus 15,190 and passbook is also minus 15,190. So add 310 is my adjustment. So come back to the answer. Payment made to creditor and recorded the gross amount in the bank column of cash book. Add column 310. Simple one. Next one. A debit of rupees 5,700 appeared in the bank statement for an unpaid check which had been returned marked out of date. The check had been redated by the customer and paid into the bank again on July 8, 2024. It is after the BRS date. So, one of our customer has given me the check. We have deposited a check into the bank. But that check is being unpaid, which has been returned marked out of date. So, it is check dishonor. When we have deposited a check, we have debited the bank account, but when the check is dishonored, we have not made any journal entry. So, debited in the bank statement. Debited means the balance will decrease in the passbook. So, passbook minus 5,700. In cash book, there is no entry is passed. So, to make them equal, minus 5,700. So, come to the adjustment. Less column 5,700. Next, adjustment number 7. Checks deposited in bank but not yet cleared, amounting to rupees 45,789. This is a timing difference. Check deposited, we will increase the balance in the cash book. So plus 45,789, but there is no increase in the passbook. Passbook is still 0. So I have to deduct it here. 45,789. So less column 45,789. Then next adjustment, dividend of rupees 1,980 collected by the bank. So my balance will increase. Was not entered in the cash book. So passbook balance increased by 1980. See here. Sorry. So where it was? Yes. My passbook has increased by 1980. Cash book there is no increase. So we will make the entry in cash book. So plus 1980. So add column 1980. Dividend collected by the bank. Next. Amount of rupees 2,340 wrongly credited by the bank. When it is credited, my passbook balance will increase to the company account for which no details were available. So passbook there is a plus 2,340. Cash book there is no increase. It is still 0. So we have to add back 2340. So plus 2340. Next one, last adjustment. On June 25, 2024, credit side of the bank column of the cash book. Credit side means payment side was overcast That means we are showing more payment, so my balance as per cash book will decrease by rupees 6789. So cash book has decreased by 6789, but passbook is 0. So to make them equal, I have to add 6789. So add column 6789. After doing all these 10 adjustments, we have to check which side is heavier. So let us add it on the less side first. It is 81,197, and on the add side it is 10097. So the add column is heavier. The difference will be 18,900. I have to write it in the less column, 18,900. So 100,097, 100,097, 100,097. Okay, this is the balance. So this is my balancing figure. So add column is more, that is why balance, it is not bank overdraft, it is balance as per passbook, that is 18,900. This is the correct answer for this. So go through this question once again. In examination also, you can mark all these adjustments with a pencil in your question paper, and you can do these calculations in a rough sheet, and ultimately you have to prepare the final answer. It will look like this. If you have any doubt in this question, you can comment below this video. Thank you.